Hello and welcome to English class. Today we will have overview of a farmhouse. Dear students, I would like to say that you are familiar with most of the things which we are going to see in the farmhouse. Let's get started. 7.2 Farmhouse. Farm यानी खेत, हाउस यानी घर. फार्म हाउस का मतलब है खेत में रहने के लिए घर. लुक एंड फाइंड द थिंग्स फ्रॉम द पिक्चर. देखो और चीजों को तस्वीर में तलाश करो. सन सूरज, बर्ड्स परिंदे, स्काई आसमान, क्लाउड बादल. What do you see in the sky? आपने आसमान पर क्या देखा? Sun, S-U-N, sun. Birds, B-I-R-D-S, birds. Cloud, C-L-O-U-D, cloud. House, घर, फार्म खेत. जीप, जीप. ट्रैक्टर, ट्रैक्टर. What's this? House, H-O-U-S-E, house. Farm, F-A-R-M, farm. Jeep, J-E-E-P, jeep. Who is riding a jeep? जीप कौन चला रहा है? A man, एक आदमी. A man is riding a jeep. Tractor. Why do we use tractors? हम ट्रैक्टर का इस्तेमाल क्यों करते हैं? For plugging the farm, खेत में हल चलाने के लिए. Who is riding a tractor? ट्रैक्टर कौन चला रहा है? A woman, एक औरत. A woman is riding a tractor. Cow, गाय. Tree, दरख्त. Boy, लड़का. Kite, पतंग. Whale, कुआं. Pot, बर्तन. Cow, C-O-W, cow. Tree, T-R-E-E, tree. Who is on the tree? दरख्त पर कौन है? A squirrel, एक गिलहरी. A squirrel is on the tree. Boy, B-O-Y, boy. Kite, K-I-T-E, kite. What is the boy doing? लड़का क्या कर रहा है? लड़का एक पतंग उड़ा रहा है. The boy is flying a kite. Whale, W-E-L-L, whale. Pot, P-O-T, pot. What is there in the whale? कुएं में क्या है? Water, पानी. There is water in the whale. Grass, घास. Flowers, फूल. Rabbit, खरगोश. Who is on the grass? घास पर कौन है? A rabbit, एक खरगोश. A rabbit is on the grass. Flowers, Flowers. Flowers. Rabbit. 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 Where is the rabbit? खरगोश कहाँ है? On the grass. घास पर. The rabbit is on the grass. Pond. तालाब. Stone. पत्थर. Road. सड़क. Goat. बकरी. Dog. कुत्ता. Bicycle. Cycle. Pond. P-O-N-D. Pond. What is there in the pond? तालाब में क्या है? Water. पानी. There is water in the pond. Stone. S-T-O-N-E. Stone. Road. R-O-A-D. Road. Goat. G-O-A-T. Goat. What color is the goat? बकरी किस रंग की है? White. सफेद. The goat is white. Dog. D-O-G. Dog. Where is the dog? कुत्ता कहाँ है? On the road. सड़क पर. The dog is on the road. Bicycle. Who is riding a bicycle? साइकिल कौन चला रहा है? A girl. एक लड़की. A girl is riding a bicycle. Boat. Now. Duck. बतख. Fish. मछली. Boat. B-O-A-T. Boat. Where is the boat? नाव कहाँ है? In the water. पानी में. The boat is in the water. Duck. D-U-C-K. Duck. What color is the duck? बतख किस रंग की है? White. सफेद. The duck is white. Fish. F-I-S-H. Fish. How many fishes are there in the water? पानी में कितनी मछलियां हैं? 3. There are 3 fishes in the water. Look at the picture and answer. तस्वीर को देखकर जवाब दीजिए. Who is riding a bicycle? साइकिल कौन चला रहा है? A girl is riding a bicycle. Where are the fishes? मछलियां कहाँ हैं? The fishes are in the water. What is the boy doing? लड़का क्या कर रहा है? The boy is flying a kite. Where is the rabbit? खरगोश कहाँ है? The rabbit is on the grass. Answer the following questions. Things in the sky. Sun, birds, cloud. Vehicles in the picture. Jeep, tractor, bicycle. Things in the water. Boat, duck, fish. Animals in the picture. Cow, dog, goat, rabbit, squirrel. Take care and be happy. Thank you. Thank you for watching the video.